The all-new 2025 Mustang GTD is the fastest and most powerful production Mustang in history. This limited edition, street-legal sports car is designed to compete with the world's best sports cars, thanks to a combination of racing technology and a carbon fiber body. Under the hood, the 5.2-liter supercharged V8 produces 815 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. That's more horsepower per liter than the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Now that its power figures have been unveiled, the GTD has the GT3 RS beat in pure power output and power density. The 815 horsepower V8 Mustang GTD produces 156 horsepower per liter, while the 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS produces 129.5 horsepower per liter. The real decisive factor in the competition with the GT3 RS will be Ford's attempt to drive a lap at the Nurburgring in less than 7 minutes. The GT3 RS has already set the official lap time, with a time of 6 minutes 49 seconds. It is interesting whether the new Mustang will be able to complete a lap faster than the Porsche. It is not yet known. The supercharged 5.2-liter V8 improves on previous Mustang engines, benefiting from Mustang's first-ever dry-sump oil system that can help keep the engine lubricated through sustained and demanding cornering. That dry-sump oil system also enables a slightly elevated maximum engine speed of 7,650 rpm, up 100 rpm from the previous 5.2-liter V8 engine. Power is transmitted to the rear wheels through a unique 8-speed dual-clutch transmission located in the rear suspension unit to ensure near-perfect weight distribution. Beyond the power needed to achieve its 202 mph top speed, Mustang GTD also features a drag reduction system that can change the angle of the rear wing and activate flaps under the front of the car to find exactly the right balance between airflow for speed and downforce for grip, depending on performance conditions. The grip and cornering stability for the Mustang GTD is provided by 325mm wide front tires, while the rear tires are 345mm wide, mounted on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels or available forged magnesium wheels. The interior has a 12.4-inch digital instrument panel integrated with a 13.2-inch multimedia system display. New graphics and additional information display modes have been added. There are Recaro seats, a new steering wheel with buttons for adjusting the suspension stiffness and exhaust mode. The center console has keys for activating the extreme track mode. Track mode reduces ground clearance by 40 mm for improved aerodynamics and handling at the touch of a button. A powerful engine, advanced active aerodynamics, carbon ceramic brakes and an internal rear suspension, with semi-active dampers are the key elements of the fastest and most powerful production Mustang in history. Production of the Mustang GTD will be limited, and the price is expected to start at around $325,000.